Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the bell icon, and this is the silent mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon. You will see the message silent mode is on. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the sounds are muted on your watch, and then you can close the quick panel by swiping down or pressing the side button. And if you want to disable the silent mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message silent mode is off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And of course, once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.